Think dryer sheets are just for laundry? Think again. Here are 10 surprisingly smart ways to use them around your home. Number 1. Remove pet hair from clothes and couches. It's static magic. Number 2. Wipe dust off baseboards and blinds. The anti-static coating keeps them cleaner longer. Number 3. Slide one inside your pillowcase or suitcase to keep everything smelling fresh. Number 4. Rub a sheet on your TV screen or computer monitor to reduce dust cling. Number 5. Drop one in the bottom of your trash can for a quick odor fix. Number 6. Shine faucets and chrome. It polishes and repels water spots. Number 7. Tuck a sheet into your car seats or vents for an instant air freshener. Number 8. Tame flyaway hair or static on clothes before you head out. Number 9. Slide one under sticky drawers or doors to help them glide smoothly. And number 10. The emergency fire starter. Roll up a used dryer sheet with a bit of lint, and it lights instantly. Save this for later, because you'll never throw away dryer sheets again.